Heavy rains caused massive flooding and strong thunderstorms swept through Doha, engulfing homes and cars. Floods in Saudi Arabia, the Emirates and Qatar have drowned all cities for thousands of years but have not rained like this. The video shared surprised many people. Here are some comments. Climate change is not a joke. We don't have much in the way of clouds in July to see. This is just the new normal. July used to be the driest and warmest month in Qatar, but now it's experiencing monsoon. Who could have imagined?